Crypto arbitrage trading is one of the simplest way, okay, even as a beginner, that you can start making money from the crypto space. And this come with a whole lot of less risks. Now, it all depends on your own arbitrage trading strategies that you want to implement. Okay, but what that is currently working right now that even a beginner can start with is on the Binance P2P arbitrage trading. I've done a whole lot of videos about the Binance P2P arbitrage trading, and I believe you might have seen other videos as well, legit video, real videos, that shows you, walk you step by step on how to do all of this. Okay, and the P2P is good for those who don't have enough capital to start with. All right, now because arbitrage trading is becoming more popular, okay, crypto arbitrage trading is becoming more popular. A lot of scammers are actually taking advantage of this to, scam you of your hard-earned money. Okay, they are taking advantage of it to scam you of your hard-earned money. So in this video, I'm actually going to review one of those scam. I believe you might have seen the video, but I'm just going to show you. Okay, just be careful with what you get involved in, and with any idea that people online are trying to sell to you. Always do your own research before you buy into such idea. Okay, I believe you might have seen this video. Okay, this is the title of the video. What I want you to pay attention to is this. Okay, this is the title of the video, and this video claims that if you buy on Binance, okay, and then you sell on this other exchange, all right, you are going to make profit instantly. But this is all lie. Okay, this is not true. Okay, because this same video that is published here with what this human being was saying here, this same video, okay, that is published here has been published on other different channels. Okay, pay attention. This is the channel for this video. This current one that I'm sharing with you, this is the channel where it is published. And if we go into this channel, let me go ahead. If I go ahead and open up this channel, you'll see that this channel has not done anything related to crypto. All right, this channel, except for this video that was published a few days ago, this channel has not done anything related to crypto. So why the sudden change? All right, these are some of the things I want you to actually look at, okay, before you get involved in this, if you have not entered into this already. Okay, and then this is another channel. All right, this is another channel that is publishing the same video. Okay, another channel, and this channel has not done anything related to crypto. This is another channel that is publishing the same video, claiming that you can actually make money instantly just by investing. And in this video, they showed you the Telegram page, Twitter, and all of that. And this is the exchange they are using. Okay, this is the exchange that they are using. Now, the guy demonstrated whatever he did here with Bitcoin. And then if you come to the exchange, you see that there is no way you can see Bitcoin here. Okay, in all of the pairs, crypto pairs you are seeing here, there is no way you can see Bitcoin here. And if you want to compare this with other exchanges like Binance, if I go to Binance, even without signing up for an account, I can actually click on any of this pair and then go to the chart and see the statistics. But this exchange doesn't allow you to do that. Okay, before you do anything here, you must sign up. Okay, and in the video, the guy recommended that you should start this arbitrage with at least $1,000. $1,000 is a whole lot of money, most especially from this part of the world. Okay, it's a whole lot of money. If you start up this, because he demonstrated that with $1,000, and then at the end of the day, he made over 90 or 90 something dollars in that transaction. Okay, this alone will enter your head, and then you feel like, oh, if I do this like 10 times a day, that means I'm going to be making $1,000 a day and the rest. It is not true. This is this is a trap. Okay, don't fall for this. That is why I'm actually making this video. This video is getting a whole lot of view and a lot of likes and the rest from the two channels that I've seen where this video has been published. All right, but now that I'm revealing that this is actually not true, nobody will like this video. Some of you will just ignore it. Okay, but a lot of persons might have fallen for this. This is not actually true. Okay, this video you're seeing here, whatever it is not true. Run away from this. Okay, this arbitrage trading is not true. So if you come to the exchange once again, you will not see the BTC pair, all right, until you sign up. And if I scroll down here again, another thing you need to look at is this their investment column. Okay, here they tell you that if you invest $500, all right, in 1 week you will make $50, meaning that your $500 will become $550. That is, you are making 10% on a weekly basis. If you go 2 weeks, you are making 25%. Then if you go 3 months, you are making 250%. What exactly are they investing your money on? And why are they giving you this high return? So this is a trap. Don't fall for it. And that is why I'm actually making this video. This is a trap. Don't fall for this. Don't, because you want to make money, you go ahead and lose the little that you have. Okay, this is not working. So stay away from this video. And what I want you to do is just to share this video to reach as many people as you can, because I believe even when you're seeing positive comments, these comments are not real. Okay, people have been paid to do this, and some of these are just bots. Okay, don't buy into this. Don't fall for this. If you do, you will lose your money. All right, that is all I had to share with you for now. If you're a beginner in the crypto space and you want to start arbitrage trading, if you have ever heard of what arbitrage is, if you do understand what it is, go to Binance, sign up for an account. Okay, I have a link in the video description. You can download Binance, sign up for an account, do arbitrage trading on the Binance P2P, and you'll be good to go. Even if it is 1,000 you make in Naira per transaction, 2,000, 3,000, you can do this again and again, okay, until you are done for the day. All right, if you have not seen other videos on arbitrage trading on the Binance P2P, then you have to check the video description. Okay, I will leave links to that in the video description. So that is basically all I had to share with you in this video. Now, if you are new to my channel and if you are seeing this video for the first time, we do a whole lot of crypto trading investing videos on this channel. So you want to make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to be notified each time videos on crypto trading are shared on this channel. So you'll be the first to be notified about them. All right, and then if you want to learn more, you want to interact with me and other members of the team, you can join the Telegram group using the link in the video description. Okay, so give this video a like, share it. All right, let it go as far as you can to save a whole lot of other persons, because everybody is going into arbitrage trading. Okay, there is every probability that a lot of persons will fall for this. All right, those who don't do research before investing will just run and then sign up for this exchange, deposit their money, and then when it comes for time to withdraw, that is when the problem will come in, and by then you might have made the mistake already, and there will be no way to redeem back your money. So don't fall for this. This is a scam. Stay away from it. And that is all I have for you in this video. I'll see you in the next video.